Hi, this is Jared with LearnToWinTrading.com going over a market review here for the morning of March 15th. We had a pretty good push, actually going up and down, that we were able to capitalize on, and I just want to kind of go over what we saw this morning so you have an idea of what our program can do for you. Okay, so the market opened right here at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, and we were done trading here. Actually, nope. We were done trading pretty darn close to here, 10 o'clock. So we were only in the market for about a half hour, and we were done for the morning. But we had a good morning. Okay, first of all, this is the Russell, E-mini Russell 2000. We hit a short trade going short here, and this is one of my favorites. It's a small trade to take. We hit a half-point profit on that, which is real nice. This is kind of what I call a Steve the Machine trade. It's a guy I know, good friend of mine, who pulls this all the time and just goes for a half point. So that's what I did there. Got a half point off of this. Then I came in here looking with the TC. Now actually the 1 minute doesn't have the TC pattern that we would like to see, but the 2 minute did. So I was expecting this to go short again, breaking this support level here. So I entered on the 941 candle going short, and it went my way just a few ticks and then reversed on me. So I actually I lost a few more ticks than I probably should have on that. I lost 0.6 points on that trade, or 6 ticks going against me. So basically at this point I'm down 1 tick for the day. This is the thing, guys. No strategy is 100%. You are going to have losses, but when you trade the plan the way you're supposed to trade it, you've got an edge, and you're going to win more than you lose. So looking at this now to finish out the day, what I saw here, which I didn't have before, was when this reversed on me and pulled me out for loss, we've got a great pattern here, another TC pattern that we teach, and this pattern was showing us strength, that this was going to bounce off of this support level and continue running. So I re-entered my trade going the opposite way for long position, and I got out at 1 point there. So I pulled a point out of the market there, which we had over 2 points of potential on that push. Then coming back, when this peaked out and started turning around, I really didn't have a signal to enter in any of this going short, but I did on the 1 minute here. When this came in and hit this support level again, it created this green candle, which was a little bit of hesitation. When that happens and then it starts coming back our way, generally if it's got enough strength, and I showed some great indicators here showing strength to continue through this, I'm going to try and re-enter that as it breaks this support level and continues to run a bit. So I was able to scoop up a bit of this push down, and I got another point out of there. Okay, so let's look at what happened for me for the day. March 15th, we are looking at a pretty good day, a pretty good outcome. We're looking at 1.9 points for the day on the Russell. Now, if you're trading one contract, and that's what we teach students to start out on, one contract is controlled by $500. Okay, so you're going to start out and you're going to try actually on a simulator for some time, but then when you start feeling comfortable enough to go live, we're going to start you out at one contract. If you had one contract today doing the trades that I made, you would have made half point here, or $50 on the first trade. You would have lost $60 on the second trade. You would have made $100 on the second or third trade and $100 on the fourth trade, for a total of $190 on one contract in a half hour of time. There are a lot of people who barely make this much money in a full day's worth of work. So this can be this has a lot of power to it, and can actually, if you can build this into a business, it can provide you a lot of freedom as well. And the goal here is to, once you become consistent trading one contract, to then slowly and gradually start adding more and more contracts. So instead of trading one, you're trading two, and then you're trading three, and then you're trading four. And what that does is it makes the profit grow for you. Okay, so now this is the scenario of when you've been able to build your account to 10 contracts. A half point win is $500. Oops, you lost $600, but then you come back with 2 more points for $1,000 each. Your total for today's work in a half hour of time is $1,900. Not a bad job. Not a bad job at all. All right, so if you're interested in learning kind of what we do and what we teach in our school, I encourage you to come to Day Trading Crash Course, where we've set up videos that go over our strategy and over day trading techniques and the psychology of day trading, just some of the bases that you'll need to know before you consider going into this. It's not for everyone, but if it's for you and if it fits your comfort level and your goals, then this can become a powerful way to become a side job or even replace your full-time job, becoming a professional day trader. We'll teach you how. Come to www.learntowintrading.com/training. That's our day trading crash course, and we'll see you there.